Hello and welcome to the tutorial for VirtualMap, version 1.3. Here you can see we've got the folder with the program VirtualMap CV11 and a folder full of pictures that I've already taken to use for a map. So we're going to just start up this program here. And so to make your map, you're going to go first into creative mode here. And it says, please load a map or make a new one. So we're going to go over here to the button that says Make New Map, click that, and input a folder name that you want to have your files saved into. So we're going to call that, let's go, demo map folder. Okay, save that there and it made that folder name. Okay, now it says that we should choose a picture, but as you can see we haven't picked a folder name for the pictures that we want to input. So we're going to go to this blue button over here that says Input Folder, and the one that has the pictures in it, as I said earlier, is Tutorial Pics. So we're going to click that one. Now as you can see, they all appeared over here in this little semicircle of 7 pictures. These are all buttons, and you can click on them to input the picture over here, and I can scroll through them with my mouse wheel like that. Okay, so you have 2 options when making your map. You can either use this method where I inputted the folder and they appear over here, or you can use your webcam's functionality and click the space bar to take a picture and make your map as you take pictures and do that at the same time. So for this example, we'll just use the pictures over here. First thing you have to do is choose a picture that you want to be in front of you. So let's just start with this one. I just clicked it, it automatically put it into my map, renamed it, and put it into a folder. That's all automatic, and that happens, behind the scenes. Okay, so I've currently got a map with one spot that I'm standing at, location 0, and I've got one picture here. So the next thing I'm going to do is click Add Picture, because I want to add a picture. Now when I click this button, it turned me to the right from where I currently was, and it made it so that I can add in a picture to the right of my former location. So I'm going to click this picture because it was the picture to the right. Now what I have is a map with 2 pictures in it and 1 spot. So you can see the edge of the glass case here, and if I turn left right now, you can see the edge of it here. So when I turn right, so I can alternate between left and right and turn around like that. Now I'm going to continue this process of adding in a picture and clicking that, and it will automatically turn me to the right and allow me to add in that picture. So I'm going to keep doing that process of adding that. You can also click P to add a new picture. So let's say I just screwed up. I just accidentally put in the wrong picture. I can overwrite it by just clicking this button here, like that. So now it makes more sense as a map. Okay. So I'm going to continue adding pictures in the study. That's the next one. I can scroll down here. And where are we at here? And here. Okay, so now my room is done, and let's say that I added a picture here, but it was one too many. I didn't want this picture. I can click the button U, and that undoes my previous move. And you can undo moves all the way back to the beginning of your map if you want to, if you have a major screw up. Okay, so now what I've got is a map with 1 spot and 8 pictures. So I can now, if I want to make a spot out in the hallway, I click Add New Spot. Okay, this can be a tricky part. So you want to choose the picture that is facing this current location. So what it's going to do is move me out into the hallway, and it turned me around so that I'm facing back into the room. So now I have to give it the picture that it wants for facing into the room, which is this one, because I'm out in the hallway and I'm facing the previous location. So I'm going to click this picture, and now if I want to, I can walk into this room like that, see? So now I have to add more pictures to this spot since this is the only one. It's the only picture, so I'm going to do the same process as I did before, adding in these pictures like that. Scroll through. And remember, I could be taking these pictures with my webcam also, if you just press the space bar. So now I've got a map with 2 pictures, and I can, turn left. I can use my arrow keys to navigate, move forward, and it allows me to make this 2-spot map. Other features that you'll need to know to be good at map making are label the spot. So this is the hallway. So I just click label this spot, and I'm going to call this the hallway, and input that label name. Now see, it just appeared right here. So I turn around, you can always see that where I'm standing is the hallway. When I move forward now, I can label this as the study. I'll input that there. So now I've got these two spots, each have a little name. Not every spot needs to have a name or a label, but it's convenient for finding directions later on. Okay, so make connection and finish connection are important buttons that you'll use later once your map has more than 2 pictures, and there are instructions on how to use those in the written section. The last important feature that you need to know of for creating a map is the save map function. So when you click that, it's going to prompt you to save your file as something. So I'll just call this tutorial map. Okay, and save file, and it'll say file saved successfully. There's certain characters like periods that you can't put in your file name, so it saved it there. And now let's say I change something or I rename something and I want to save it again, and it was called tutorial map, and there's an autofill function that automatically lets you know that there's already a file there, so I can just overwrite it like that. Okay, now if I exit my program and I come right back to the program here, it saved that file. I can go into creative mode and load up the map, and you see it's right there, tutorial map. I can either type it in here with the autofill and click input file name, or just click that button. Either one works. And here I am again. And from this point you can edit this map, make it bigger, or you can just use it to look around. That's the video tutorial for creative mode, and good luck.